my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
This is not a drill, guys. This is happening, and it's happening now. If you haven't heard what's been going on, last week alone, we had a huge interest rate drop of 50 basis points. Thanks to what the Fed came out to say after the meeting that they're no longer going to increase rates. So the market reacted in a very positive way. If you're a current homeowner or a current home buyer looking to purchase a property, this can help you out in a huge way. Take a look at just how the rates were just 1 month ago on October 16th at 7.94% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. Take a look at where we are today. Today, December 18th, 2023, we are at 6.65% interest rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage. For you homeowners, all you gotta do is wait. You guys already did the best part, which is locking in the price of the home. For you home buyers, I mentioned it 5 days ago in a video in the 2024 projections for the market. Experts anticipated this to happen towards the end of 2024, but it got accelerated and it's happening at the end of this year. So what's gonna happen now, a lot more buyers are gonna hit the market with lower rates because they qualify for more property, and property prices may go up even faster. Take a look at what you could have been paying on a property if you purchased a month ago at 7.94% and what you could be paying today at 6.65%. Assuming that you purchased a property last month for $550,000 with 10% down, this is what your monthly payment would have been with the 7.94% interest rate. You would be at principal and interest alone at $3,611.45. But with today's rate, you're paying $3,177, essentially getting a $450 monthly savings.